Alright, in this video we're going to show how to plop the point. This is a little game we do. First we write our y-axis up and down. We label it. Positive y is here, negative y is over here. Then we draw our x-axis that's going across. That's going to be our positive x's and our negative x. In the center we always know it's the point 0, 0, our origin. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to plot the points for several locations. So let's talk about it. We've got point A, which is at 2, 5. We've got point B, which is at -2, -3, and I'll change the colors later. We've got point C, which is at -4, 2, and point D, which is at 0, 3. All right, let's go through each of these. Point A, which will be let's make it a different color. Let's make it our purple one. All right, point A is at 2, 5. Well, what do I know about this? First, I know that the first number is always the x value, right? And the x value is a positive 2. So I know I'm going to be on the right side, and I know I'm going over 2 spaces first. So here we go. 1, 2, that takes care of my x value. And now let's take care of the y value. It's a positive 5, and a positive 5 in the y place means I'm going up. I'm going up by 5. So here's 2, 1, 2, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where my a value is going to be for this point. And I can get rid of these dots here. And just to show that we are about where we need to be, that's the eraser. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the point 2, 5. So we've done this one. Now let's do B. And for B, we'll make it the color blue. All right, so for B, it's going to be -2, -3. So my x value is a -2, so I need to be on the negative side of the x's, and I need to go over 2 spaces. So that's -1, -2. Then I need to go down 3 because it's a -3 for y. So I go down 3. I go 1, 2, 3. That should be -1. That should be -2. That should be -3. So over to the left, 2, down 1, 2, and 3. This is point B. All right, I've got 2 out of the way. All right, our next point is C, which is -4, 2, and I think I'll leave that one green. So -4 is onto the left. X value is -4, so left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's -3. That's -4. Then what am I doing? Then I'm going down, or up. I'm going up 2. So from -4, I go up 1, and then 2. And that's where my C is going to be. And there's point C. And then finally, point D. Let's make D red. At 0, 3, 0 in the middle, because that's my x value. That's where x is 0. And then I'm going up 3. 1, 2, 3, and that's where I stop. I am at my point D. And so if I clean it up, this is where all of my points are. A is at 2, 5. B is at -2, -3. C is at, remember we always do the x first, -4, 2. And D is at x value of 0 and a y value of 3. Well done.